the Djiboutian Air Force, DAV, French, Force Aérienne du Djibouti, FAD, Somali, Ciidanka Cirka Jabuuti, is the Air Force of Djibouti. It was established as part of the Djibouti Armed Forces after the country obtained its independence on June 27, 1977. The first aircraft included 3 Nord N.2501 Noratlas transport aircraft, as well as a French Allouette II helicopter. The Djibouti Air Force is mandated with protecting Djibouti's airspace and in assisting ground forces. History. In 1982, the Djibouti Air Force was augmented by 2 aerospatial AS-355F Akuroi 2 helicopters and a Cessna U-206G Stationair, followed in 1985 by a Cessna 402C Utiliner. In 1985 the Allouette II was withdrawn from use and put on display at Ambouli Air Base as Djibouti's airport is called. 2 years later the 3 N.2501 Noratlas were also put aside and given back to France later. New equipment came in 1991 by means of a Cessna 208 Caravan, followed by all the Russian types in the early 90s. They included 4 Mi-2, 6 Mi-8 and 2 Mi-17 helicopters and a single Antonov and 28 light transport aircraft. Pilot training, if necessary, is conducted in France and continued on the type of flying at home. Although demand for new pilots is low, with only approximately 250 men in the Djibouti Air Force, the DAV has no units of its own and forms as a whole a part of the Army, and its sole base is Ambouli. Serials system of the Djibouti Air Force is in the civilian bracket of the J2MA8 Elmore range, although most of the time only last 2 letters are carried. As of 2016, the Air Force had a strength of 360 personnel, and operated a small number of transport aircraft and helicopters. Aircraft. See also: Djibouti Armed Forces, Djiboutian Army, Djiboutian Navy. Citations. Works consulted. International Institute for Strategic Studies. IISS. 2012. The Military Balance 2012. London. IISS. ISSN 0459-7222.